Today, we're leaving the city behind and driving deep into the heart of Morocco's stunning Atlas Mountains. The journey takes us through the legendary Tizi and Tishka Pass, where every turn reveals a new breathtaking landscape. And yes, lot of puking stops. We're heading to a local village to explore the fascinating process of making authentic Moroccan argan oil. It's a beautiful tradition, handcrafted from kernel to bottle.
Hello, namaste, and Kim Cho, my beautiful people. Welcome to my channel, Isha Beyond Borders. Let's explore culture beyond borders, have fun beyond borders because you're watching with me, Isha Beyond Borders. Guys, I had made plans to go out tonight to check out the nightlife. There is one very famous Gully street which I wanted to explore. It has a good market, it has vibrant colors, but I feel so tired because I haven't had good sleep, and like you know, it's been a very long journey, so I just thought let's hit the bed, let's get ready for tomorrow because it's going to be a very power-packed 5 days back-to-back, and we will come back to the city and hopefully explore the nightlife.
Hi guys, it's around 7 in the morning and I just woke up. Get Your Guide tour starts in 1 hour. That guy's gonna come to pick me up from this hotel, so I'm quickly gonna take a shower and change, and let's get ready with me today. Okay, so one of the reasons that I usually don't prefer taking breakfast in hotels, especially when international, is that they just have breads for vegetarians and maybe some fruit. So I don't find value in taking up that breakfast which I can hardly eat. So that is why I always carry my ready-to-eat foods, and thanks to my upma. Alright guys, all set for today. This is how I look. So this is dress for today.
So here I am, Get Your Guide tour, which will be taking us to a lot of destinations, and to be honest, I was expecting a sort of a group tour, but lucky for me, it's a private tour, and yeah, I have the whole car to myself. I can shoot as much as I want to because with group tours that gets limited. Super excited, let's get started. So here's this first stop on my first day from the Get Your Guide tour. I just wanted to take a quick stop
For some coffee. It doesn't have a name, but it's a cute little place. And disclaimer, Moroccan coffees are horrible. Trust me, I have had the worst experience with the coffee. It was just too strong, too bitter for my taste buds. So maybe a heads up for you too.
So here's technically my first day in the city of Marrakesh, and from my guide I got to know that Mar means land and Akesh is God. So this is the land of gods. So here, like I said, my first stop, and having some coffee. It's quite sunny, but at the same time it's pleasant. The temperature is quite pleasant. This beautiful view of the mountains. While speaking with the guide, I also got to know that this country is dominantly following Islamic culture, but not everyone follows it, and they mostly follow humanitarian principles, something which is very close to Sanatan Dharma, being an Indian. So he did tell me that they believe that God resides in every being, and they also have multiple gods like the god of winds, the god of river. So I was very amused to find that, and I think they do have good relations with Indians because he said he has a lot of Indian friends. So yes, that's about it.
The coffee that costed me roughly around 5 Moroccan dirhams. I also purchased a couple of chocolates and mouth fresheners for the rest of the journey because yes, with the change in the altitude, I was facing a lot of motion sickness. Now, if you follow me on Instagram, you know the tips that I usually share for motion sickness is to keep your eyes on the road. Don't look down, don't keep scrolling through your phone. Second is get some fresh air. Don't be in the air-conditioned vehicle for too long. Maybe open your windows for some time on and off, and keep talking, keep singing. It kind of helps to distract. Lastly and most importantly, please keep yourself hydrated because I am the biggest victim and the culprit myself because I don't drink enough water. This journey takes us to the legendary Tizi and Tishka Pass, the highest road pass in North Africa. The air gets thinner up here, but the views, they are absolutely priceless. Every hairpin turn reveals a new canvas of mountain mountains and valleys painted in the shades of red and green. This place isn't just a pass, it's a photographer's dream. You'll also find local artisans here, so be sure to pick up some beautiful souvenirs and authentic handicrafts. With the dramatic landscapes, traditional Berber villages, and winding roads, every single moment is a picture-perfect opportunity. Regarding the 5 days, 4 night Get Your Guide tour, I'm going to share the link of my storefront wherein you can find all the activities that I booked, and it's going to make the booking process easier for you.
We have stopped at this store to check out the argan oil, the Moroccan argan oil. I'm sure all of you know its benefits for hair and skin. Let's go inside.
The first step, remove the shell to get the nut.
Okay.
Moroccan oil, it's called Own Oil Zitna store, and it is run by a bunch of women, wherein I could actually see them sitting and working with the fruit, and it was amazing the way they take out the butter, and it's made in different ways depending on the purpose, whether it's for consumption or for application. There were a lot of products made out of argan oil, like I purchased the hair oil and lip balm. There were also creams for eczema, psoriasis, for facial problems like wrinkles and aging. So it was a good experience, and a pro tip here is that you can negotiate and bargain. So make sure that you utilize this and get the best deal.
I love almond butter. And the best thing with almond butter is almond croissants. It's got a smell, it's got a very nutty fragrance. And it looks like almond butter, peanut butter.
Stay tuned, as the next video coming up covers Aitken Hedu, the old ancient Kasbah, and also a UNESCO World Heritage Site, and of course the very famous Atlas Studios in Ouarzazate.